Hi, this is Jennifer. This is the third time I am recording this because for some reason Canvas Studio would not upload for me. So you'll have to forgive me. I'm very frustrated right now. I do not have a PowerPoint presentation because I don't know what happened to it. Um, but I'm doing my final presentation on lead because I wanted to do something that was actually a natural pollutant. Lead is a soft metal. It has uh, it's the symbol Pb and has the atomic number 82. It is a low level conductor of electricity, but it is a good insulator of both sound waves and nuclear radiation. As I said, lead is found in nature. You'll have to excuse my rooster over there. He is an idiot. Lead is found in nature. Thank you, sir. It's infrequently by itself. It's typically found in mineral specimens with other metals. It's commonly used to make vehicle batteries, fuels such as aviation fuel, as well as vehicle fuel, pigments for paint, ammunitions, weights for diving, as well as vehicle balancing weights, joints for stained glass. It's used in radiation protection. Again, it is a good insulator for nuclear protection. So it does insulate from radiation. That's why it is used in things like lead vests that they put on you to help protect you during X-rays. And it's also used in certain types of welding. Uh, Lead is naturally occurring and is regularly developed by the planet through radioactive rot of uranium and thorium through radon. Um, it reacts with many other elements, all from oxygen to fluorine and chlorine. Um, Fluorine mixed with lead at room temperature causes a reaction, makes lead fluoride. And chlorine, when it's mixed with lead and warmed, actually produces very deadly dihalides, excuse me. It makes lead chloride, which is a very dangerous chemical. Although both of those, in their natural form, look like white crystalline powders. Now, when heated, lead particles become airborne. Those particles, as they go up into the air, they then can fall back down in rain and contaminate waterways, as well as they are inhaled. Every time you take a breath, you're probably breathing in atoms of lead. It does build up in your teeth and your bones, and it accumulates over time and can cause reproductive problems, it causes kidney disorders, neurological problems, um, whole host of just really bad things. Lead is not good for you. It can cross the placental barrier, so in pregnant mammals, it can lead to birth defects, it can lead to premature delivery, or even fetal mortality. Now, it can be removed from the environment fairly easily. Uh, Lead can be removed from the air but with use of HEPA filters, or it can be removed from waterways with anything from simple membrane filtration, where they just have filters that filter out lead particles, all the way to things such as chemical precipitation, which actually mixes a caustic chemical such as hydroxide into the wastewater, which increases the pH to a point that the dissolved lead precipitates out of the water as solid metal hydroxide particles, lead hydroxide. And that is then filtered either by sedimentation or media membrane filtration. Um, but honestly, the easiest way to remove lead from the environment is to not put it there in the first place. Um, One of the biggest sources of lead in the air is from burning aviation fuel. And we need to strive to find more clean burning, lead free alternatives. Right now, it's the most efficient fuel for airplanes, which is why it's still used. Additionally, lead can be found in waterways frequently from tire weights because when you take your tires to have them balanced, a tire that's not perfectly balanced is going to wobble as it goes down the road. As it spins around, it's going to wobble. They take your vehicle and they actually put it on a computer and spins your wheels. And it finds exactly where the weight differences are on your tire. And they'll take those little weight differences and they'll say, okay, well, it needs a half ounce of weight here, an ounce of weight over here. And they'll glue lead weights to different spots on the backside of your tire. That balances your tire, so instead of wobbling as it goes down the road, it stays smooth as it rotates. But the problem is that those lead weights can come unglued and can fall off of your vehicle, and then when it rains, those lead weights are sitting on the pavement. The rain washes over them and washes lead particles into waterways. Additionally, when tires are being rotated and balanced, old weights will be taken off, and responsible tire shops will recycle the weights. Oh my God, I forgot the word recycle. Responsible shops will actually recycle the weights and either have them melted down and made into new weights or just sent to a facility that will recycle them into other things. Some places, however, will just take the weights and toss them in the trash, which then they get sent to a landfill and leave a big deposit of lead in a landfill. So, again, the easiest way to remove the pollutant lead from the environment is just to not put it there in the first place. This is my presentation for the third time tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a great evening.